than 200 animals from wildlife in need. It's a complicated situation with a lot of people involved. And tonight, the nonprofit founder is calling it unfair. Good evening. I'm Kristen Goodwillie. Doug is off tonight. The removal coming at the order of the court, who says the animals are in danger on Tim Stark's property. Shay McAllister has been investigating the nonprofit for more than a year now. She's live in Charleston, Indiana with the latest. Shay, what else did Tim Stark have to say?
Kristen, he talked to us for about 50 minutes earlier today. Right now it's 6 o'clock, meaning everybody is off of the property as they were ordered to do by court. Tim Stark is back. Take a listen.
Guess what I hate more than anything? I hate me. I hate Tim Stark. This is not me at all. I come from here, but they won't allow it. They just keep attacking me over and over and over.
Tim Stark calls it attacks. He says the numerous USDA failed inspection reports, evidence logged in state and federal court cases, and first-hand witness allegations laid out in our investigation are fake and have destroyed his life.
I made a mistake. I did get too many animals, and they weren't being treated. They were being healthy, but they weren't being treated fair. You know, they did need bigger enclosures. They did do that. So when I come back from Oklahoma in August, that was my goal, is to redo, revamp everything. But instead, motherfuckers like you want to portray me as a bad person.
He admits he's made mistakes, and as he watched air-conditioned trucks and vans pull onto his property, knowing they would be used to take his animals off, he got emotional.
So hard to look at?
Hell yeah, it is. Like I said, I'm losing my life right now. Everything I've worked for.
On the property, SWAT, Indiana State Police, and the Sheriff's Department there for safety, doing a sweep of the facilities before the removal team moved in. Stark has made threats about what would happen if anyone tried to take his animals. But on property, he told a different story.
And I would never put my animals in jeopardy. Never. You know, I'm not going to go back there and turn animals loose. I'm not going to do any of that. My animals are my life.
Still, the state of Indiana taking no risks. They had the road blocked off at the driveway by police while the removal team got to work, backing up vans to cages, doing an inventory of what animals are there. By next Friday, they will have removed everything except the big cats, which will be removed by PETA later on.
So what's next? How do you fix this? How do you plan to fix it?
I go on with my life. You know, it's that simple. You know, they're never going to shut me down. They can try all they want.
The animals that were taken today and will be taken in the days to come will be taken to reputable zoos and sanctuaries, according to the Indianapolis Zoo, who is leading the charge on this effort. They're not releasing where the animals are going for their safety. Also, coming up this Sunday, this removal team will be back on the property 9 to 6. They'll have more days next week, and the judge says if that's not enough time, they can ask for more. Live in Charlestown, Indiana, I'm Shay McAllister, WHAS 11 News.